very warm welcome to my channel once again. I hope you all are doing great. Today, I'm gonna share very quick, easy to do, and in my opinion, incredibly tastes. Seriously, guys. This recipe is originally from Mexican, but I am Indian. So I'm going to share Indian version of paneer quesadilla. And guys, I must tell you, when my mother will watch this video, she will definitely say that, see, I was the one who was making all these Mexican recipes in early 90s itself, right? If you can relate this, comment down below. Literally, this recipe is versatile. It's like make your own version. You can just have very easily with anything. Even leftover vegetables will do great work with this. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
First of all, I'm taking here 1.5 cup of boiled and mashed potatoes. Basically, this is 4 to 5 medium-sized potatoes. Here I'm going to add 1 finely chopped onion. And this is 1 cup of paneer. This is homemade paneer, and if you want recipe of homemade paneer, just comment down below. I will share it with you guys. If you are vegan, replace it with tofu or tempeh. Adding 1 teaspoon of salt, you add according to yourself, and 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. If you don't have chaat masala, you can use dry mango powder or anardana powder, whatever you have at your home. If you don't have, you can also use lemon juice. Here I am going to add 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala, or you can also use curry powder, whatever you are having in your pantry. Here I am chopping few leaves of fresh coriander. I am also going to add green chilies, but at the end, because firstly I need to take out for kids and then I will add green chilies at the end. Wash your hand properly and mix it well. I prefer kneading by my hands because this gives best texture, trust me. And those who have kids, this is the time when you can keep little mixture separately for them. And at the end, we are going to add chili. Last but not the least, going to add finely chopped green chilies. This you can add according to your taste. I am using fork to mix it now because my hands are a little sensitive and I don't want to touch chili with my bare hands. So be careful for that also. Our filling is almost ready. We are going to keep it aside and we'll work on our dough. Here I'm not sharing a recipe of dough. If you want to know how to knead a dough for this, you can watch my recent shawarma video. There I have already shared how to knead a dough. So I'm already having a dough and going to roll a flat thin bread, as thin as you can make. Of course, you can also use ready-made tortillas, but to make it more wholesome, I have used here multi-grain wheat flour. You can also use all-purpose flour. Whatever you like, you can use it. It's not a problem. But still, if you want a little bit healthy, you can also add vegetables in this. Any vegetable like carrot, beans, cabbage, anyone which you want. As you can see, our chapatis are almost ready. And now I'm going to place it over a hot pan and we'll roast like as we normally do for chapatis or parathas. Just roast it well and then we will place our stuffing inside and it's almost ready. See? Very fast, right? See, as I was telling, it will be ready in minutes. And now it's ready. So I'm going to place generous amount of filling because filling really gives nice flavor. You can also add corns if you like, but I just really want to give Indian flavors. That's why I haven't added anything extra. Just place it well and I'm going to fold it in half, but you can also fill it properly and place one over the chapati. That will also work. But this is how I was doing for this one. And now I placed it over the pan. Pour a little bit of butter or ghee, whatever you like, and roast it properly. It's almost done. This is almost done and ready to serve. Isn't it looking amazing? Give it a try, guys, and comment down in the section box you like this recipe or not. Give it a desired shape. I'm just cutting out in half and just going to place it. Garnish it with the mint leaf pomegranate seeds, dry fruits, salad. You can do anything with this and serve to your friends and family. I hope you like this recipe. Enjoy.
So guys, I hope you like this video. If you have liked this video and watched till here, so you know the drill. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. It's absolutely free. And yes, press the bell icon because that gives notification whenever I am uploading a new video. So those who are new to my channel, I request you all to subscribe my channel. It's absolutely free. Signing off right now. Take care, stay happy, stay healthy. See you soon in next video. Bye-bye.